Hello and welcome to Money Time and Money9 English. I'm Ajay and these are your headlines on the last day of the week. First, shares of IKIO Lightning made a lightning market debut on Friday. The stock debuted at nearly 38% premium at 391 rupees. At the end of the day, the stock closed more than 3% higher from the opening price at 403 rupees on the bourse. The stock still trades over 42% higher than the issue price of 285 rupees. The IPO of IKIO Lightning is set to raise 606 crore rupees, which was subscribed more than 66 times. The listing was at nearly 38% premium, which means that the IPO allottees made a lot of profit on the inaugural day. Overall, the stock market was buoyant on Friday. Sensex closed more than 440 points higher, above 63,300 points, while Nifty closed above 18,820 points. Moving on, brokerage firm Prabhudas Leeladhar has increased target price on KEC International to 578 rupees. Earlier, the brokerage had given target price of 559 rupees on the stock. On Friday, the cable stock closed at 550 rupees apiece, which means the brokerage sees 5% upside in the stock. The brokerage has accumulated rating on the stock. The firm is currently trading at a PE of 26 times by 12 times. The brokerage sees continuous improvement in EBITDA margin and revenue. Up next, SEBI has ordered attachment of bank accounts, demat account and mutual fund holdings of fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi. This does not pertain to the PNB scam of more than 14,000 crore rupees that he had committed along with his nephew Nirav Modi. It pertains to another case of manipulation of stocks of Gitanjali Gems. Choksi has been accused of manipulating the stock prices to his own advantage. SEBI has also banned Choksi from securities market for 10 years. The capital market regulator has also asked all the banks, depositories and mutual funds not to allow any debit from the accounts of Choksi. SEBI has fined Choksi 5.35 crore rupees on the Gitanjali Gems scam. And it's good news for Aadhaar card users. If you have not updated your Aadhaar card yet, then you can still update it for free. The central government has once again extended the date for free update of Aadhaar card details. The organization which issues Aadhaar, UIDAI, has given this information. According to the information given on the UIDAI website, the time limit for updating documents such as identity card and address proof in Aadhaar has been extended till September 14. Earlier, this deadline was till June 14, 2023. So, now you have 3 months to update your Aadhaar card for free. And if you're a Kotak Mahindra bank account holder, then this news will bring music to your ears. Kotak Mahindra bank account holders will get up to 7% interest rate on balance above 25,000 rupees in their savings account. Yes, FD like interest on savings account. But for this, account holders will have to add the active money feature to their savings account. Moreover, they can withdraw money from savings account without any limit and penalty. Virat Divanji, Group President and Head Consumer Banking at Kotak, said, and I quote, that the bank aspires to change the paradigm of the savings culture of Indians by offering customers FD-like interest rate on their savings accounts. Up next, pfrda chairman Deepak Mohanty said that people are investing in government-backed pension schemes thick and fast in the country. NPS subscriber base has already crossed 10 crore mark. It has almost double subscribers than the Atal Pension Yojana. NPS constitutes 97% of the total AUM of the government-backed pension schemes of PFRDA. On the total AUM of all the 3 pension schemes of PFRDA, that is NPS, APY and NPS Lite, Mohanty said that the total AUM of all these 3 schemes is expected to cross the landmark figure of 10 lakh crore rupees in the first half of the current financial year. According to Mohanty, the government is looking to encourage more and more people to subscribe to the NPS. Further, Mohanty added that in case of another investment scheme of the government, that is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Almost 50% of subscribers are young people. They belong to the age cohort of 18 to 40 years. Moving on, IDBI Bank has raised interest rates on fixed deposits. The private bank will give as high as 6.8% on FDs of 1 year to 2 years. On tax saver 5-year FDs, account holders will get 6.5% interest rate. Apart from all these different FDs, IDBI Bank gives 7.15% on Amrit Mahotsav FD scheme of 444 days. Moving on, US-based private equity major Bain Capital divested 0.7% stake in private sector lender Axis Bank. The transaction took place in the open market at an average price of 968 rupees per share. Bain Capital will get more than 2,000 crore rupees. Earlier also, the private equity major had reduced its stake in Axis Bank. It has been a long-time shareholder of Axis Bank. Selling of shares by a private equity firm in a company is generally looked at from a not-so-positive viewpoint. Adding to that, it can have short-term repercussions on the company's stock price. On Friday, shares of Axis Bank closed lower at 892 rupees per share. Up next, the capital markets regulator SEBI has directed top 100 listed companies to give clarification or confirmation on any rumors spread about them within just 24 hours with the exchanges. The top 100 listed companies by market capitalization are required to abide by this rule from October 1, while the next 150 companies will be required to abide by this rule from April 1, 2024. This will help check any wrong information being circulated against companies' name in the media. Companies can prevent sharp fluctuations in the share price by avoiding such malicious information being circulated against their reputation. And with that, it's time to wrap up Money Time and Money9 English for the day and for the week. Download the Money9 app and stay tuned to Money9 English's YouTube channel for all our weekend shows. See you all again on Monday. Until then, this is me, Ajay, signing off. Take care, good night, and happy weekend.